We're here in Rome, and food policy councils from across the globe are coming together.
Trying to reshape food system.
A wonderful network opportunity to really bring together many stakeholders in the larger food system to think about, collaborate, advocate for.
Food policy is one of the first policies that came into existence.
Space for different interests to come together to figure out how to transform food systems to make them healthier, more equitable and just.
The sharing of best practice is probably the most important thing. It's very inspiring. It's really good for all the people doing the work on the ground to talk to people who are doing similar jobs so they're getting that support.
When we can find common ground, then we can find solutions that will help on a systemic basis instead of solutions that may help one part of the system but unintentionally harm other parts.
There is no other way than working together.
It is a way for citizens to learn how to talk to their elected representatives.
It's extremely important that we increase political civic engagement. And I believe that increasing political civic engagement, a perfect opportunity is food policy councils because everyone cares about food.
Food is one of the most important lens to reshape the world.
I hope that starting from food and from the awareness of the environmental, social, economic, cultural dimension and implication connected to food, we can make a little but substantial improvement of the way in which we live and we stay on the earth.